Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Sing Mei Liao Liao or Green Plum Liao Liao, chapter 121. So here it is. Let's read the story. Now, it was Song and Peiyu, the two of them went out to eat hot pot today. Since Song is going to tell her about the bad news that happened about her dad, of course, she really want to have a good meal before she can tell her. Well, definitely, she was hesitating to speak. She was only looking at Feiyu, but also she really needs to tell her about what happened today. Feiyu suddenly noticed, "What's wrong? I felt that a little absent-minded when I received your call." Now Feiyu was poking her, but Song said to her, "Let's eat first and let's talk later." "How can I eat like this?" Feiyu. Now she really got curious about Song. Song, she was really quiet about this and also hesitant. "Now, tell me," Feiyu said to her. Song said to her, "Then, don't be angry after hearing this." "Well, let's start. Your dad came to see me today." So now, she was not hesitant to tell her. "Peiyu, she looks really getting angry." Song said to her, "You promised me not to be angry. We haven't started eating hot pot yet." Song, she was right. She was losing her appetite if she got angry about this matter. What did he say? Was he is arrogant and used money to attack the people, making all kinds of conditioning to make you break up with me? "Well, you can guess this," Song said to her. "At the time, I refuted it very vigorously, acting like a pure love warrior who said, 'It's for love, what can be thrown away?' But now I think I should have taken the money. It would be half much better. We can spend it," Song said to her. Now, Peiyu, she was really bitter smiling. Of course, she knew to herself that Song was only making her laugh, but of course, it was like a bitter smile. "Did you speak harshly? I'm sorry for making you feel wrong. You say this as if it's nothing to do with me." Of course, right now, it's me who is in love with you and not who is forcing me to be with you. Besides, it's your dad who is the boss and you haven't done anything wrong to me, Song said to her. Well, she got really worried about her. Now, Peiyu. Suddenly, she moved closer to Song and she was relying on her shoulder. Well, maybe she really wanted her to comfort her. This thing was really embarrassing. Her father's being arrogant towards Song. Peiyu said, "Okay, I kind of what? I want to quit my job." Song said, "So sudden." Well, maybe. Peiyu realized that it's so sudden and came to the company because you were there. But now that you are by my side, there's no point in staying. This will also prevent him from using my work as an excuse to harass you. Well, definitely, she has right for this. You can consider resigning on your own, but we will deal with this matter together. It's fine time to ask your dad out so we can have a good talk. Oh, Song, she was really great. She don't have any bad things for her dad. The lady said, "Your dishes are all here. If you want to add more, just scan the QR code." "Okay, let's put this side matter. For now, let's eat our hot pot first," Song said to her. Well, back to Ransing. The tenant moved out a few days ago and my grandmother asked someone to clean the place very well. "You can stay here for a few days but you still have to pay the money." Now Wafang lives right opposite you. You mentioned the cooking bag. Oh, this girl, she was really glutton, right? She's taking advantage of being this kind of situation. It's really a big help for Rensing. I'll give you 2 bags and the rest for Wafang. Well, definitely, she really need to give it to Wafang. Rensing, she's really feeling great. Well, Wawa, I'm going home first. I have to pursue my senior tomorrow. I'll come back day after tomorrow to give you some flowers again. Oh, she won't really back down, right? Well, this girl, a little bit kind of crazy. Well, maybe she thinks that this girl is really acting like a child. Let's see on what will happen. But it was really thankful that Rensing had to settle down for a while. Now, Rensing, the two of them suddenly become speechless. This is their me time today. The two of them are already alone. It was Wafang, suddenly, was looking at her. But it was really feeling awkward. Atmosphere. They're both looking at each other, but none of them are speaking. Well, it's been long since the two of they already seeing each other. Now, they seeing each other but they become speechless. These are the things you like to eat before, and I don't dare to pretend too much if it expires. Now, she turned her head. Take it for you after you finish eating. Rensing said to Wafang. Now, Wafang moved closer to her. How was it this time? Well, definitely. She seems to be excited, seeing Rensing. Now, seems that the two of them restrain herself. Fortunately, I just miss you, Rensing said to her. Well, of course, she really loves her. That's why she really miss her, and also she traveled this past to see her. We are not in a relationship that can say these things now, Wafang said to her. But Rensing said, I know, I know. She really want the two of them to come back again. I say this is not what I want to do. Rensing said to her. Well, now she was really truth on herself and also truth about her feelings. Now she really told Wapang about this. It's just too long since I saw you, Rensing said to her. Well, she really missed her so much. Also, she was restraining herself right now because they're not together again. But Wapang right now said to her, she got it. Now she was touching her hair, like caressing it. Now Rensing, she looks like innocent. She is really behaved today. Of course, Wafang. Suddenly, Rensing grabbed her hands. Maybe she really want to tell her something. She really want to be closer to Wapang again. She must really miss her so much. Rensing said, do you also touch other people's heads like this? Sister. Well, looking at Wafang's reaction, she seems to be surprised. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!